Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the PNC virtual wallet debit Visa card. I'm just going to tell you guys how I even got introduced to this card, how I ended up even getting introduced to the bank account, some of the cool perks that comes with it, the application process and everything deciding on that. But just before that, I just want to show you guys the design of the card. So this is PNC's logo. Hopefully you guys get the gist of it outside of the tape, but yeah, it's just a virtual wallet and I'm going to explain what that is a little bit later on too. But yeah, so I got introduced to this card when I was in college, and I definitely recommend this to any college student who is not good with maintaining money or either like need to see it physically or virtually in an account. But with PNC, I originally signed up for my checking account and I ended up getting 2 accounts aside from that. So I have a checking account, I have a growth account, and I have a savings account. So with PNC, I really would recommend this bank to not even only college students, but just young adults too. I know it's good for me because I can go in and manage all 3 of my accounts at the same time. And when I go to the ATM to take out money, it tells me how much money is in each account. And I really love that about this bank. But yeah, so I got introduced to this card. My sister actually originally had this bank and she was like saying how bad I was about like paying my bills and everything. Just that they weren't automatically getting withdrawn. And I was just so bad with like calling the actual businesses and paying them. She was like, you need PNC, like they'll manage everything for you. It's really good. So I went in and my customer service representative, she was so nice. And I really do appreciate like the time that they took to explain everything to me. The other good thing about this bank too as well is that I got my debit card the same day. So literally as soon as I signed up for my account, they printed out my debit card and I got it the same day. The only thing that I will say guys is just be careful. And if you are planning on opening up a checking account through PNC and you are expecting your debit card the same day, you should call ahead of time and get the locations in which they do it, because something that I found out. So I ended up going through a thing where I lost my debit card and I had to get a new one. And I thought that every PNC printed it automatically, but it's only certain branches and only certain locations. So just make sure you guys call before going in to find out if they print them automatically. But just 3 good things about this card. Like I mentioned before, you get a checking, a spending, and a savings account, and they call it like growth. I believe it's like growth, spending, and checking. I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I do know it's 3 accounts. Something else that I really do love about this card too is just so if I would overdraw on my card, they're not going to charge me a fee. They're going to go in my other 2 accounts to see if I have it first. And I really do love that because guys, $34 fees for a $2 overcharge is not a fun time. So I do love that about this bank, and that's just something that they really pride themselves on. Another good thing that I do love about this card too as well is that let's say if I think that one purchase didn't belong to me, I could call right now and they'll believe me automatically. Like they're not going to go through this long process of asking continuous questions. If I say that's not my purchase, they're going to automatically go in, freeze my account, send me out a new debit card, and unfreeze my account. So I really like that about PNC. Bad things, honestly guys, I think this is a very good account when you're starting out. I will say one bad thing that I don't like is my direct deposit, and which is why I don't use this as much as I used to. My direct deposits, I know sometimes depending on your bank you get them at different times. With PNC, my direct deposits didn't even come in until like later on the day that I was supposed to get them. So that's the only thing that I could say is kind of bad, but it might just be depending on my job and not really the bank. It just depends. There's a lot of benefits. I do suggest too, if you open up a PNC account, you ask them if you are in school about their loans. The interest rates are really low and they give out really good loans associated with your account. So I would suggest asking about that. But everything else, guys, and also virtual wallet too, that's where it's like online banking. And that's where you can manage your 3 accounts too, which is amazing. But yeah, I would suggest PNC. And like I said, guys, this is just a virtual wallet PNC debit card.